Okay, Xiaofeng has finished painting the fish tank paint. Yeah, we received 2 cans. We finished one. We need to wait till it dry, and then we coat the last coating, which will cover everything, including certain area that is still slightly wet. But we'll till it dry, we get down and then dry the wet area and then do a coating. Right now there's only the center pit. There's a little bit. There's a hole. We drill it into the PVC. In the beginning, we use those holes to allow certain water to come in. Actually, because at that time we thought to just allow the water outside to seep in, and then we pumped it out until we can fill it. Anyway, so right now when everything else is filled, sealed, and then those holes, the holes will drill becomes an issue. We need to fill those holes up, and that will completely seal everything.